everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday the 30th of April and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 for all those children who've been working feverishly throughout this week. As I say each week, if it's not you, don't be too disappointed. Look at these children, just copy them. They'll show you exactly what you need to get the golden ticket. So just copy them, watch them very carefully. Okay? So now we're going to really celebrate these children, give them a big cheer when they come up, please, in years 3, 4, 5 and 6. We start off in year 3. We start off, Mr. Ackerman says, this child works hard in class and is always eager to complete activities to the best of his ability. He's worked hard to develop good learning routines which help him to get the most out of lessons. He's a very positive member of the class and is well liked due to his kind nature and outgoing personality. Well done and keep up the good work. Lots of amazing things said. And it goes to Jack. Here he is. Absolute superstar, Jack. Well deserved, Jack. I am so proud of you, buddy. Congratulations. Take this home with you today. Hopefully everyone's giving you a big cheer now in class because they should do, because you are an amazing golden ticket winner. Well done. Moving on. Miss White says this child has been an absolute star in the last few weeks. They try their best in every lesson and give everything a go. They read regularly at home and are a whiz on spelling shed. Fantastic. We are starting to really see them shine. Absolutely, and why not? And well deserved. Goes to Emily Ann. Here she is. Well done, Emily Ann. Look at her working so hard throughout. Really trying a big smiling face. Well done. You should have an even bigger smiling face. And everyone should be cheering and clapping you now as well. Well done, Emily Ann, just getting on quietly, working so hard. Congratulations. And I know everyone's going to be really proud of you as well. Well done. Moving on to year 4. Here we go. Mr. Pinner says, he is an absolute fabulous member of the class. Should just leave it there, shouldn't we? Hey? Absolutely. Fabulous member. He always makes sure that he completes his work to the highest quality he can produce. He is supportive of others and a fantastic partner for other children to work with. He also shows great independence and is very self-motivated to do well. He's a great example to others and thoroughly deserves his second golden ticket this year. His second. He certainly does. Golden ticket goes to Tyler. There he comes. Look at that. Massive cheer for Tyler. Well done, buddy. Massive smile there. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for being an absolute fabulous member of Mile Cross Primary School as well. Keep it up, buddy. Thank you. Enjoy taking us home today. Well done. Well deserved. Moving on. Miss Barrett says, this child impresses me more and more every week. They show up every day, ready to learn and really focusing on what they need to do all the time. The child always makes the right choices. They're a friendly and incredibly helpful member of 4HB. They support others when they need help. They listen carefully to instructions and every single piece of work is presented beautifully. Can ask for no more. Well done for winning your second golden ticket this year. Another second. Of course, it goes to Racer. Come on, Racer. Massive cheer for Racer. Well done, Racer. Big smile on your face. Absolutely superb. Well done. Fantastic working. Keep it up because it is amazing. You are an amazing year 4. Really well done. Alinka will be proud of you, I know. So congratulations. Enjoy taking this home and have a nice treat weekend. Well done. Year 5. Miss Musselwhite says, our golden ticket winner this week goes to someone who's kind, considerate and polite. They have excellent attendance and they read every day. They don't find lessons in year 5 easy. However, they always try their best to listen and complete all the tasks to the best of their ability. It's fantastic. They've always attempted to get involved with lessons. However, before they would often put their hand up, but then forget what they were going to say. They don't do this now. They confidently speak up and share their well thought out ideas regularly. Through their maturing attitude, they're showing they're getting ready for year 6. Because it's not long now for you year 5s. Our golden ticket winner goes to, here she is, Amelia. Well done, Amelia. You absolute superstar. Keep it up. Look at this amazing work as well. You are well deserving of this golden ticket. Eric will be really proud of you, I know. So keep it up. Keep being really positive. Keep working as hard as you possibly can. Congratulations. Well done. Miss Arthurton says, this week our golden ticket goes to a young lady who comes into school every day with a positive attitude and a beaming smile. And she really does, because she just makes me smile every day. She works hard in every lesson, always gives 100%, and does the best she can do to succeed at everything she does. She certainly does. She's also committed to developing her knowledge further through lots of extra home learning every single day. She really is a little superstar. This week, our golden ticket goes to Amelia. There she is. Look at that. Well done, Amelia. I'm so proud of you. You're so hardworking. Well deserved, hun. Enjoy this week. Have a lovely weekend this week because you deserve it. So fantastic. Keep it up. And I know you'll be going on Spelling Shed and Timetable Rockstar and doing all that as well, but well done. Congratulations. Moving on to Year 6, Mr. David says, in 6RD this week, the Golden Ticket is awarded to somebody who arrives in school every day with enthusiasm and a willingness to learn. They're exceptionally kind to all, have a wonderful sense of humour and always help their peers. They really do. Not only that, their work in class is always beautiful. They read every day and regularly offer positive contributions to whole class learning. Congratulations to Ella! Well done, Ella. Look at that, big smile. Well done, Ella. Massive. You should be smiling and everyone should be cheering for you now. This work is phenomenal. Looking forward to this. Look, fantastic. Okay, so really well deserved. Enjoy your golden ticket and have a fabulous weekend as well. Congratulations. Moving on. Miss Percy says the golden ticket this week is awarded to someone who makes us smile. They certainly do. They understand what it means to be Year 6 pupil at Mile Cross and try their best in every lesson, every day. They do what is asked of them without being reminded, and they do it with a smile. They certainly do. Their positive attitude and enthusiasm brighten up the classroom, and they are an asset to our school community at Mile Cross Primary School and Year 6. Thank you, Nikita! There she is. Well done, Nikita. Thank you so much. I know Michael's going to be really proud of you. I am as well, so really well deserved. And just have a fabulous weekend now, knowing you're an amazing golden ticket winner. Well done. Thank you, Nikita. Right, well done to all of our winners. Again, if it isn't you, copy these guys. It's simple. Just watch them, copy them, because who knows, it could be you next week. So really well done. Now, a little reminder, Monday is a bank holiday. It means on Monday there is no school because we are all off on the bank holiday, which means we come back on Tuesday, the 4th of May. Okay, so we'll see you all on Tuesday, the 4th of May. There's a couple of things to do this long weekend, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, is be kind. Ask someone how they are and look after your things. All the things Mr. Allen's been asking in our assemblies. So please, let's see if we can have a weekend packed with you all being kind, asking people how they are, and looking after your things. Until next week, everyone. Bye-bye now.